The Block Ransomware is a malicious software that poses a significant threat by encrypting a wide range of file types, rendering them completely unusable. The primary objective of the attackers is to extort money from the victims by offering a decryption key to restore the encrypted information. Notably, the Block Ransomware appears to be primarily aimed at users in Russian-speaking countries, as evidenced by the fact that its ransom note is actually written in Russian. One of the initial indicators that a system has been compromised is the abrupt file name alteration. The threat distinguishes all encrypted files by appending the .block extension to their original names. Once the encryption process is completed, the malware generates a ransom note with a text file name readMe .txt, which is then placed on the desktop of the compromised system. The Block Ransomware ransom note overview. As previously mentioned, the contents of the Block Ransomware's note are composed in Russian. A rough translation reveals that the attackers prompt their victims to contact yaga.babushka@yahoo.com to receive further instructions. The note also emphasizes that the email message must include the unique ID string provided within the ransom note. Victims are cautioned against attempting to decrypt the files on their own, as this can result in permanent data loss. To protect yourself from such ransomware attacks, back up your data. Regularly back up important files to an online or external offline source. This will ensure you have access to your data even if it becomes encrypted. Be cautious with emails from unknown senders. Avoid opening email attachments or clicking on links in emails from unknown or suspicious sources. Ransomware often spreads through malicious email attachments. Update software. Keep your operating system and software up to date, as attackers often exploit known vulnerabilities. Install anti-malware software. Very important to use reputable anti-malware software to detect and prevent ransomware infections. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and common tactics used by cybercriminals. Use strong passwords. Employ strong, unique passwords for all of your accounts. It'll prevent unauthorized access. Remember that paying ransoms does not guarantee that you will receive your decryption key. It also encourages cybercriminals to continue their activities. Instead, you should focus on prevention and maintaining up-to-date backups to mitigate the impact of ransomware attacks. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.